It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 9th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Cooler conditions today as troughing passes north of the state, and then temperatures should be right around average for this time of year for the rest of the week. What about some rain? We really need it. Are we going to see any anytime soon? Well, let's see if we can find some answers as we look outside this morning at 8:15 a.m. Sunny skies in the valley right now. 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 32, humidity 23%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, upper 50s in the cool spots, low 70s here in the urban core. Water vapor satellite view, we've got a trough north of the state and going to create quite a snowstorm for parts of the Rockies today, ridging out across the eastern half of the country. The watch warning map, some wind advisories in Southern California and along the Colorado River today. Winds could gust over 40 miles per hour. Could see some patchy blowing dust out there. Red flag warnings across Northern California. Frost and freeze advisories across the Dakotas, Minnesota. Hard freeze warnings in western Kansas and Nebraska as well. And on the severe weather outlook, a slight risk of severe storms around Ponca City and Tulsa, extending into southeast Kansas, with a marginal risk for some of the adjacent states. Rainfall around here for the next 7 days coming off the WPC. Nothing. Zilch. This is going to be a theme for our forecast for a while, I'm afraid, as we are in our secondary dry season of the year. Well, we'll talk about it right now as we get into the details of our weather, looking at the models. Here's the GFS. The 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. That trough will continue to pull away from our region. A nice snowstorm for the Denver area today, but down at the surface for us, sunny skies, breezy weather, highs mid and upper 80s. Tonight, clear and with a very dry air mass. Low temperatures should drop nicely into the mid-50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, sunny, highs in the upper 80s. Wednesday, we should see the low 90s with mostly sunny skies. Same on Thursday. And Friday, a trough will pass well to our north. Maybe some breezes for northern Arizona on Saturday. But high temperatures shouldn't vary a whole lot here. We'll see readings mostly upper 80s and low 90s. Same thing on Sunday. Let's go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 16th of October. Flat ridging to the south. You see the heights are coming up, though. So high temperatures, low to mid 90s, but lows during this time should be pretty comfortable, mainly in the 50s and 60s. Here we go to Tuesday, the 17th, and again, ridging here. High temperatures probably at or maybe slightly above normal. We'll say low to possibly middle 90s in the warmest desert spots. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Wednesday, the 18th of October. And we've got a low sliding down the California coast here, moving our direction. But for now, at least here by Wednesday of next week, we're still looking at warm weather with highs right about 90. We'll have to watch this scenario. If this starts a trend, we might start to see the introduction, at least the possibility of some precipitation way out toward the latter part of next week. But that's still far too early to talk about right now. Temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. We'll warm it up as we go through the week, and then temperatures will sort of yo-yo right around average, maybe cooling off a bit further as we head toward latter October. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like our videos, subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Be safe out there and have a great Monday.